Hey guys, it's Isaac at Mallard Motors, home of the $100 credit challenge, where if we can't get your credit approved for a new auto loan, we give you $100 cash. Today, just in off the transport truck, we got our first 2019. This is a Toyota Corolla LE. It's only got 30,500 miles on it, so it's still under factory powertrain warranty, which means if anything goes wrong with it before it hits the end of the manufacturer's warranty, Toyota themselves will fix it. It's a beautiful, beautiful red. These get close to 40 miles per gallon on the highway. They're relatively easy to finance compared to many of our other vehicles. And they're just beautiful cars. Inside's very clean. Power windows, power locks. Inside, we got some of the latest features here. We got Bluetooth, backup cameras, 30,878 on the mileage. Got your Bluetooth built into your steering wheel. Got power mirrors. You can hear the fans going. You got a touch screen.
Call Sims Mortuary at 8.
Radio works. Dash is in good shape. Back is clean. Large trunk space. Just a beautiful, beautiful car. As you can see, everything's in good, almost new shape. It's got these fun new type of places where the air comes out, how you adjust them. It's sitting on Michelin tires with good tread on them. Got a nice little 4-cylinder under the hood. If you're interested in this one, you can go to our website at mallardmotors.com, fill out an application, and we'll get you approved on it. Remember, trust the duck.